Hi, my name's Hazem Gaber, and today we're going to be talking about WordPress. So what is WordPress? Well, it's basically called a content management system. And what it allows you to do is instead of building a website from scratch, you install WordPress on your server, and WordPress runs in the background, and then you log into the admin section of WordPress and you can use the tools in WordPress to create your website. Now, first thing you want to know is this is a very basic website I've built in WordPress that does uh, it has content about different IT certifications, and I have Google Ads running in the website, and there's literally no code required. We just built it and everything plugged in. So how do you do that? Well, there's two there's two main things you have to know. The first one is what we call a theme. Every WordPress has a theme, and Avada is one of the most popular themes. But WordPress comes with a whole bunch of themes that uh, affect the look and feel of your site. And some of them are free, and some of them are expensive. You can go online and you can look for WordPress themes, and you can see different themes with different features that allow you to build a website visually without any code. Uh, they let you do like dividers and sections. We call it what you see is what you get. You literally can drag and drop items onto the page without any coding required. And some themes come with like 10 or 15 or 100 different uh, items, so you can build any kind of website you want. Contractor website, wedding website, e-commerce, retail, you name it, you can do it. And some are what we call responsive themes. So a responsive theme is one that adjusts. So if I change the size of my page, uh, or if I'm on a web browser that's say on a phone, or I change my window, the elements on the page automatically adjust to what I'm doing, and that means your page looks good automatically, no matter what kind of device the user has. And that's really important because otherwise you'd have to build different versions of your site for every type of device, and then show the different version depending on type of device your user has. The second thing that you must know is what's called plugins. So plugins add features to your site. So I've got like 23 plugins on this website. Uh, I turned some of them off. The plugins let you do like forums, contact forms, table of contents, uh, like animations here. We got the layer slider. Sometimes a plugin might come with a theme. I've also got SSL. You'll want to check that regularly to see if your plugin has an update. In my case, I've got like every plugin I'm using has updates. So once you install your plugin, it'll show up. It may show up here, and then you can edit. You can make you can change the settings, or you can do different things depending on what your plugin does. So this plugin builds forms, for example. So I can build a form literally within my WordPress without any code whatsoever. I've also got the other most important thing is the pages. So you can build pages. You just click on here and then say I've got 481 pages. I can literally create a new page. So I'm just going to show you an existing page. So I can literally type paste pictures, and I've got my page now, and then I can update it, and I can see previous versions of my page. They're all saved. And if I don't like this, I can switch to uh, the coding view, and I can go back. So I can go to code editor, and I can see the code behind the page. Now, mind you, this is not the code that's actually in the web browser. This is the WordPress code, which is like a code on top of a code. So WordPress takes this code and it uses it to generate the HTML code that your web browser uses. So if we go back here, obviously there's a PHP and then there's a SQL. So this is actually the code in our page. It's a little bit different. So if you have any questions, please leave a comment and we'll answer it. Thank you.